Monday morning fabrics, except it's Tuesday. Anyway, these are some we're going to use in the webcast tonight, so I've got to get them up. This is a beautiful cotton linen blend. It's from a mill in Italy. The mill is, I don't know, Caverni. Anyway, it's a beautiful piece of fabric, lightweight, lovely, just so pretty. And then this fabric just goes perfectly with it. It's a cotton poly blend. It has stretch in one direction. Isn't that beautiful together though? Oh, I just love that. Just some kind of great little simple top and pants or jacket. It's so pretty. This is 100% cotton. It's a stretch woven and it's a shirting, which means both sides are usable and the same. It's a woven. They weave it to make it the same. It's really pretty. This is a beautiful dark brown and it's got a rib to it, but it's so slight it's hard to see. It has stretch in both directions. It's 100% cotton. Beautiful drape. Just a really pretty fabric. And this is the leopard. And the leopard is here. It is 100% cotton. It's a stretch woven. Great drape. You'll see tonight I did a jacket out of this. And we'll show you on our easy summer sewing. And then this is a beautiful, love this together. It's just a really pretty gold tone. This is a cotton poly. It's mostly cotton, just a little bit of poly in it. Great drape. Has stretch in both directions. Isn't that pretty? They're all pretty. They just span the border. They're just lovely. So happy Tuesday morning after Memorial Day. And we'll see you tonight. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.